How to record audio in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Canva application. Then tap on this plus icon. Select video. Wait for it to load. And now you can upload a video first. And after uploading a video for audio, simply go over here in this audio section and select record yourself instead of upload files. Allow Canva to take pictures and record video. Give them the permission and you will be able to record audio in Canva itself. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.